Hello students, this is Rashmi Biradar. You are watching my channel. Like it and please subscribe it. We are solving section B part of mathematics of an Chinese school entrance examination. So here mathematics part will be of 50 questions. Each carries 3 marks, which will be total of 150 marks. First question is, that is 26th one. What is the fraction that is sum of the shaded region represent? Here two circles they have given, both are equally divided. That is, both are having a 12 divisions. At the first circle, how many parts are shaded? It is 8 parts. In the second circle, 5 parts are shaded. It will be 13 by 12. So any option is there? No option. So you convert it into integer. It will be 1 integer divided by 1 by 12. So option 4 is the right answer here. Now next question, 27th. What is the weight of 2 dozen biscuits if each biscuit weighs 4 gram? You know, in 1 dozen there are 12 biscuits. So 2 dozen means how much? 2 into 12, that is 24 biscuits. Each biscuit weight is 4 gram. So multiply with 4, you will get a total weight of biscuits, that is 96 gram. So option 4 is the right answer, 96 grams. 28th question. Choose the smallest possible 7-digit number that you can form using each of the following digits 51803. So 5 digits they have given. You convert it into 7 digit and a smaller number. First one, again you use 0, 3, 5, 8. So this will be a smaller number. Any option is there? So option 4 is there. It is the correct answer here. Question number 29. Sum of place values of underlined digits in the given numbers is. So two numbers they have given here. The two numbers are underlined here. You have to add. Sum means you have to add the place values. So place value of 3 is here 3 lakh. Again 7 is 70. You add this one also. Place value of 5 is 5000. Place value of 1 is 1 itself. So after adding it, you will get 305071. 305071. First option itself is the right answer. Now go to the question number 30. Which one of the following figures is not symmetrical along the dotted line? So four options they have given. First is symmetrical, second is also symmetrical, fourth is also symmetrical, whereas option 3 it is not symmetrical. So this one is the right answer here. Question number 31. Which one of the following is not equivalent to the fraction 5 by 7? So 5 by 7 can also be written as 10 by 14. It can be also written as 15 by 21. It can be also written as 20 by 28. It can also be written as 25 by 35. It can be also written as 45 by 63. So 10 by 14 it is there. 15 by 21 it is also there. Next 20 by 28, 25 by 35 it is there. 45 by 63. So 45 by 63 it is not there. So they have asked not equivalent fraction. So this is the correct answer here. Question number 32. Find the area of the shaded part of the figure. So this figure contains two blocks. First one is a bigger rectangle and a smaller rectangle and a square. So shaded part is this one. So you have to find the area of the shaded part. Area of the rectangle is L into B. So bigger rectangle is 25 into 9. Whenever you subtract these two blocks from the bigger rectangle, you will get the shaded part. So it will be, this rectangle area will be what? Area length is 4, breadth is 4. So length is 7 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter. It will be 4 into 7 plus this is a square. Square area is 6 into 6. Now solve it. 25 into 9 is 225 minus 28 plus 36. 4, 6, 161. So it is area here, centimeter square or square centimeter. 161. Option A is the right answer here. Question number 33. Convert the fraction 15 integer 1 by 25 into decimal number. So here 15 integer is there. 15 remains as it is. Only 1 by 25. 1 by 25 means you have to do like this. 0.000. 25 4s are 100. So it will be 0.04. 15.04 is the right answer. So it is option 2. Question number 34. What would be the price of 7 chairs if the price of one chair is 7642.45? So one chair price they have given. You have to find the price of 7 chairs. Means you have to multiply it with 7. So this number, whenever you multiply with 7, it will give 7 5s are 35, 3, sorry, 1.79435. This one is 1. So any option is there? 53497.15. So it is not there here. So option 2 is the right answer. 53497.15. Next question. 35. A webinar has 3 intervals of 5 minutes each. What is the total duration of the intervals in seconds? So there are 3 intervals. 3 intervals means 5 minutes break of 3 intervals. It will be 15 minutes break. 15 minutes. And they are asking in seconds. Seconds means you have to multiply with 60. 15 6 are 90. Again 0. So these many seconds is needed. So total duration will be 900. So option 3 is the right answer here. Next question, 36th one. An oil tank can hold 60 liters of oil. Another oil tank can hold thrice as much. What is the total capacity of both the tanks? So one oil tank is 60 liter. Another oil tank is thrice of the first one. So 60 plus thrice means we multiply with 3. 60 into 3 is 180. So they are asking total capacity, means you have to add these two. So it will be 24. 240 liters, option B. So option B is the right answer here. Now next question. What is the side of a cube if its volume is 64 cubic centimeter? So volume of cube is a cube. If the side is a cube is equal to 64. It can be also written as a into a, which is equal to 4 into 4 into 4. So a value is now what? 4. So side of the cube is now 4 centimeter. So option B is the correct answer here. Question number 38. Which of the following numerals are arranged in ascending order? Ascending order means increasing order. So first one 6821, 6812. So here itself it is decreasing. So this is not correct. 907579 again decreasing, again increasing. So this is not correct. 12509. So this is increasing. This is not correct. So option 3 is the correct answer here. So it is in increasing order. 39th question. Choose a figure that will continue the series in the given figure. Here, observe this block. First, left corner, they have given circle. Here, square. Here, another leaf-like symbol. Another one arrow is there. So, they are moving in like this, clockwise direction. So, each thing is moving in a clockwise direction. So, first it comes here. So it is coming here. Afterwards it goes here. So it is going there. Again afterwards it will come to the same place. So you have to choose the same figure. This figure, it is not there. It is also not there. This one is correct. This one is not correct. So same block is similar to third one. So circle is there. Another this figure is there. Leaf like symbol is there. Arrow is there. So option 3 is right here. Question number 40. If this is equal to 420 and subtraction is equal to 90 degree, then what is the value of this symbol? So just take this symbol as 200. If 200 is there, you subtract from 420. It will be 420 minus 200 is 220. 220 half is 110. So take one triangle value as 110. So if I take these values, this should be correct. 200 minus here triangle value is 110. It will be what now? 90. So this is correct, means whatever we have taken this value as 200, that is correct. So option B is the correct answer here. Next question. If the classes for the senior students start every day at 8:35 am and end at 1:45 pm with no breaks, find the total duration of the classes. So it starts from morning onwards, 8:35. Again 9:35, 1 hour. 9:35 am it becomes 1 hour. 10:35, 11:35, 12:35, 1:35 am, pm. So at 9:35 it will be 1 hour. At 10:35 it will be second hour. It will be third hour, fourth hour. At 1:35 it will be fifth hour. They have asked 1:45. 1:45 pm it will be again 5 hour 10 minutes. Any option is there? 5 hour 10 minutes? No. So you convert it into minute now. 5 hour into 60 plus 10 minutes. This is 300 plus 10, which is equal to 310 minute. So option 2 is the right answer here. Now go to the next question. Question number 42. In 563672, the place value of 6 at the 10,000th place is dash times the place value of the 6 at the 100th place. So they are given one number, that is 563672. Here two 6 are there. One is at a 100 place and another is at a 10,000th place. So whenever at the 100 place you multiply with 100, then only it will become 60,000. So how many times? It will be 100 times greater. So option 2 is the right answer here. Next question. Anil had 78.6 meter fabric, which was just enough to make one set of uniform for 12 students. How much fabric would be used to make one uniform? So he is making 12 uniforms for 12 students with 78.6. For one uniform means you have to divide it. 12, 78.6. So correct answer is here 6.55. So option C is the right. Option third one is the correct answer here. Now go to the next question. 44. Select the next figure in the pattern. So triangle is there. It is moving in a anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction like this. Again this moved like this. This will move like this. So the figure will be like this. So you observe this corner. First it comes here, afterwards it here, next here. It will come here now. Now draw these lines. Which figure suits this one? It doesn't fit. Now option 3 is the right answer. 45th question. An athlete finishes 400-meter race in 48 seconds. How many minutes has he spent in running if we ran 5 times on the same track at the same speed? So, he finishes 400 meter in 48 seconds. How many times he ran? He ran 5 times, means 48 into 5. This much time he is taking to run 5 times. 48 into 5 is 240. So, it is in seconds. So, they are asking in what? They are asking it in minutes. Minutes means you have to divide it by 60. So the answer is 4 minutes. So first option itself is there, that is 4 minutes. So first is the correct answer. Now next question. Which one of the following are arranged in descending order? Descending means it is a decreasing order. So here 2 by 3 is a greater value. So this one is not correct. Here increasing decreasing is there, not correct. Here the numerator values are same, denominator values are increasing. So it means the values are decreasing here. Here increasing. So the option 3 is the right answer. Next question, 47th. What must be added to 2.4624 to get 6.785? So here you should do subtraction. 6.785 minus 2.4624. Append 0 here. You will get 6223.4. The option is there in. So option third one is right answer here. Now go to the 48th question. Identify the greatest fraction from the following. So here the numerators are same whereas denominators are changing. Means which denominator has the lowest value, that will be a greatest fraction. So 2 by 3 is here the answer. The option is there 2 by 11, 2 by 9, 2 by 7, 2 by 3. So this option 4 is the right answer. Question number 49. In a particular year, 76,43,872 students appeared for an exam. Out of them, 42,37,602 were girls. How many were boys? So these many students appeared for exam and these many students are girls. They asked about how many students are boys. Means you have to subtract from 76,43,872. If you subtract girl students, you will get a number of boy students. 0726043. Any answer is there? Not. Option 3 is the right answer here. Question number 50. Which one of the following is the incorrect option? So they have given length, and they have not given length, they have not given breadth, but the area they have given. And options are like this. So what you do, you multiply these two numbers. Then you will get a area. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So 19.2 into 12.5. It will be 960. 384 into 192. So you will get 240 here. Again you multiply 16 into 5. 15. 16 into 15 is 15 6 90. 15 plus 9 is 24. So this also 240. Again you multiply 54 into 5. You get 270. You multiply these numbers 32 into 7.5. Again one decimal place is there, 240. So you will get 240 with option 1, 2 and 4. You are not getting with 3. So this is the incorrect option. 51st question. Solve 6 by 8 divided by 3 by 2 into 4 by 5. So this will be 6 by 8 into 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. So here 4 into 2 is 8. 8 ones are 8. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So answer will be 2 by 5. So which option is there? Option 4th one. 2 by 5 is the correct answer here. Now question number 52. Select values of m and n to make the statement true. So they have given this statement, that is 127 into 15 is equal to m into 15 plus n into 15. So I will take 15 as common here. So it will be m plus n. I am using identity, that is m into 15 plus n into 15 will be like this. 15 into m plus n. So here 15 is there, here also 15 is there. So no problem. Again m plus n is equal to 127. So m and n value should be equal to 127. Here m plus n is what? 100 plus 15 is 115. So this is not correct. Again 120 plus 15 is 135. So this is also not correct. Here 15 plus 27 is 42. This is also not correct. Here 100 plus 27 is 127. So this is the correct answer. So m plus n, whenever you add, you should get what? 127. So option 4 is the right answer here. Question number 53. How many parts of the given figure should be shaded to represent 3 by 7? So here you count this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So 14 is there. So total number will be 14. Again they have given 3 here, 6. So you have to shade a 6 parts so that you will get a 3 by 7. So whenever you divide it by 3, you will get a 3 by 7. So how many reasons you have to shade here? 6 parts. So answer is 6 here. So fourth one is correct here. Go to the next question. Question number 54. How many acute angles are there inside the given figure? So in a angles in a triangle are always equal to 180 degree. So this one is acute, this one is acute, this one is acute, this one is acute. This one is one triangle and this one is another triangle. So there are total number of 4 acute angles are there. Question number 55. 1,28,400 pens are to be packed in cartons with 150 pens in each. How many cartons will be needed? So here you have to divide the number with the 150 so that you will get the answer. So you will get 856. The option A is the right answer. After dividing this value with the 150, we will get 856. Now go to the question number 56. Prisha weighs 42 kg whereas Kyra weighs 39.5 kg. What is their total weight? Total means you have to add these two numbers. 42 plus 39.5. It will be equal to what? 81.5. So they have given in grams, not in kg. So to convert kg into grams, you have to multiply it with 1000. So 81,500 point value comes here. So answer is 81,500 grams. So option C is, that is option third one is the right answer. 81,500 grams is the right answer here. Question number 57. Identify an angle created by the minute hand and the hour hand at 2:30 p.m. So you draw clock here. So it will be 3, 6, here 6, here 9, here 12. So the time is 2:30 p.m. So somewhere 2 comes here and it was 2:30 now. The angle created is greater than 90 degree. It is not acute, it is not right angle, it is not straight angle. It is obtuse angle. So greater than 90 is obtuse angle. Question number 58. A dealer purchased 50 tables for 4,570 each. 9 tables got damaged in transit. He sold the remaining tables for rupees 5,000 each. Choose the most appropriate statement for this case. So dealer, how many tables he has purchased? He has purchased 50 tables with the 4,570 rupees. So after multiplying, you will get a 2,28,500 rupees. So 9 tables got damaged. In 50, you have to subtract 9 tables. So that is 41. Again, he has sold it for 5,000. So he has sold 41 tables for 5,000, that is 2,05,000 rupees. Now, which one is greater? His cost price is more, his selling price is less. So he got a loss here. So loss of how much rupees? You have to subtract it. So 23,500 rupees he got a loss. So he incurred loss of 23,500. So option third is the right answer here. 59th question. I am a 5-digit even number. I have 9 at my 10th place. The digit at the 10th. So you don't know the number. Then you just draw like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5-digit number is there. It is ones place, it is tens place, it is hundreds place, it is 10,000s place, it is 10,000s place. I have 9 at my tens place, 9 at tens place, and I am an even number. The digit at the 10,000 place is 3 less than the tens place. So tens place is 9, 3 less than means 3 less than 9 is 6. So here 6 at the 10,000th place. The digit at the 100th place is half the value of the digit at the 10,000th place. So half at the 100th place, it is half means 3. The digit at the 1000th place is double that of the ones place. So whatever the one is place is there, it is multiplied with 2 here, double. 639, this is not correct. Here 2 is given, here 1 is given. So it is 2 is not double of, here should be 4. So this is also not correct. This is also not correct. So this one is correct because at the ones place 4 is there, at the thousands place 8 is there. So this suits the correct. So if it is 4 here, it will be double at the thousands place. So option 4 is the right answer here. Question number 60. The product of the LCM and HCF of two numbers is 322. If one of the number is 23, what is the other? So one number is 23. You don't know the another number, which is equal to what? LCM into HCF, that is 322. So x is equal to what now? 322 divided by 23. After dividing, you will get 14. So 322 divided by 23 is 14. So correct answer is option 2, that is 14. Next question. What would be the water image of search? So they are asking not a mirror image. They are asking a water image. So water image will be like this. So wherever H is there, H is same at the same place. C. C. R. A. E. Yes, like this it comes. Water image. So H place, H is not there here. H is not there at the same place. So these two are wrong answers. Again you compare between 1 and 2. So here A is different, here also A is different. So this A is correct here. So option 2 is the right answer. Question number 62. Which one of the following option is incorrect? 2 by 5 is 0.4 itself correct. 1.147 is greater than 1.0. So it is greater itself. 5.8 is less than 5.9 correct. 3.121 is great. It is not greater. It is lesser. So this is the incorrect one. So option 4 is correct here. Next question. Fill in the blank with the correct option. They have given CCC XC. It means it is a 390. CCX is 390. L is 50. This one is 9. 59. So you add it. After adding, you will get 449. So 449, how you are going to write? 500 first, afterwards C. So this will be 459. 49, sorry. So this is the correct answer. Option 3 is the right answer here. Next question. Question number 64. Rounding off 7348561 to the nearest 100. So 100 value is 5 here. 561. It is greater than 550. So it is rounded to next digit, that is 600. So this is rounded to 600 now. 7348 as it is 600. 7348 as it is. So option 2 is the right answer. 7348 as it is. Next 561 is rounded to 600. So option 2 is the right answer here. Next question 65. So here in question number 63, just see it, 449 is not written like this. It will be written as, this is 400, this is 49. Okay, this option is right here, 63. For the question number 63, option 2 is the right answer, not the third one. Now where we are, 65. What should be subtracted from 3 million to get 1,765,498? Means you have to subtract the number from 3 million. One, two, three, four, 502. Where it is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 502. So this is the right answer here. Question number 66. Shreya has 32 red pens and 56 blue pens. She wants to make packs of equal number of pens out of them in such a way that each pack has pens of only one color. How many pens would be there in the biggest pack? So here you have to find a HCF of 32 and 56. It will be 16, 28, 2, 4, sorry, 8, 14, 2, 4, 7. So HCF is what now? 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So option 2 is the right answer here. That is 8. HCF is 8. Question number 67. If the cost of fencing 1 meter is 215, then find the cost of fencing a park with the length 45 meter and breadth 23 meter. So rectangular park is there. So what you have to do here? You have to find a area. 45 into 23. What it will become? 45 into 23. Sorry. 1 meter. Sorry. Cost of fencing 1 meter they have given. Means here you have to find, they are fencing only outer part. Means you have to find here a perimeter, not the area. So perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So it will be 2 into L is 45 plus 23, which will be again equal to 2 into 68, which is equal to 136. So for 1 meter 215 is needed. For this much of meter, how many rupees are needed. So you multiply 136 with 215. After multiplying 136 with 215, we will get 29,240. So answer here is first option. That is 29,240 is the right answer. Go to the next question. 68th one. The area of the triangle whose base is 12 centimeter and height twice as the base is dash. So area of the triangle formula you know, that is half into base into height. So here base they have given, height is twice the base, means height is what, 24 centimeter. So half into 12 into 24. That will be equal to 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 into 24 is 144. So answer is 144 here. So area of the triangle is 144 square centimeter. Next question. Raman started a journey 4 hours before Samir. If Samir started his journey at 2:15 p.m., at what time did the Raman start his journey? So 2:15 means before 4 hours Samir has started. So after before 2:15 is 1:15, again 12:15, again 11:15, 10:15. So at the 10:15 Samir has started his journey. So this option is the right one. Now go to the question number 70. 76 lakh 4,083 is written as dash in the international number system. So first you write in Indian system. 76 4,083. Now you write like this 76,04083. Now convert it into international system. So 7,604. This is not correct. This is also not correct. Not correct. So last option is the correct one. Go to the next question. That is question number 71 to 75. They have given one bar graph. So by using bar graph itself, we have to solve these 5 questions. First, we will read the instruction. The following graph represents the activities taken up by grade 5 students in a particular school. Study the graph and answer the following questions. So in debate, how many students are there? 15. In theater, say 12. In swimming, how many students are there? 20. Say 22. Next, dance, 18 students. In painting, 16. 12, 15. Now we will solve the below questions. Number of students, question number 71. The number of students who choose painting is dash more than the number of students who choose theater. So here, painting students are how much? 16. Theater students are 12. So you subtract it, you will get 4. So the option 4 is the right answer here. Question number 72. What is the total number of students in grade 5? So you add all these 5 numbers. That is 15 plus 12 plus 22 plus 18 plus 16. You will get 83. So total number of students in grade 5 is 83. So option 2 is the right answer here. How many students were there in the two least popular activities? How many students are there? Least popular activities means less number you have to see. Here it is 12 is there, afterwards 15 is there. So 15 plus 12 will be, it is 15 plus 12 is 27. So option 4 is the right answer. How many students choose dance? So dance, how many students they have chosen? See this figure, dance, 18 students they have chosen. So option 2 is the right answer here. Next question, how many more students choose swimming as compared to debate? So you compare swimming and debate. How many students of swimming is there? Swimming 22 students and debate 15 students. You subtract both 22 and 15. After subtracting you will get 7. So option 4 is the right answer here. So this completes the mathematics part of an Science School entrance examination. Thank you.